Hi moms and dads, I'm glad you're here today. I have a nice little project I thought you guys could make for your little ones, and it's a nice little sorting toy, and you can also make it a little more advanced for them if they're into that, as far as colors go, separating colors as well as shapes. So these are some items that you probably have laying around the house. I just have an old shoebox, a cutting tool, some glue sticks, some colored paper, and something to make a circle out of. Just follow the shape, just makes it a little bit easier. And I have some, these are practice golf balls. Lord knows I practice enough and they're still not helping, so we might as well use them for something else. And they're nice because they're foam and they're soft and they're multicolored. So we're going to use those. Put them to good use. Okay, so what you need to do is cut some shapes, holes, circles into your box. And the reason why I like using a shoebox like this is because that the lid stays attached, and also when your little one puts the balls into the holes, they stay put. So it's like a nice little container all in one. You can even take it into the car, and it'll all work and stay together. So the first thing you need to do, and I have already done some of this ahead of time so that this video isn't, a day and a half. So measure your balls that you'll be using and find an appropriate size that will accommodate the balls for you to make your hole. So I just had this last one to do. I wanted to do on camera for you guys to see how I went about doing this. Just trace it off like so, and then use a straight edge cutter to just cut away at that shape. If you have an X-Acto knife, that would work as well. This is actually just a box cutter. Sometimes it takes like 2 little attempts around because it's thicker than you're pressing. Okay, once you have that done, it's good to go just like this because these balls do fit in, and children at this age love putting balls and utensils and whatever little small objects into holes. So they're actually it doesn't look like much, but they're really going to enjoy that. So then what I did, I thought to make it a little bit more advanced for them is to make a coordinating color on the holes that they can put the balls into. So I just traced the hole again on the construction paper and cut it around. Cut the hole out first, and then I just cut away a little bit around the edges to give it that, like it's going to frame the hole. Yeah, like so. All right. So here you have it. So then just take some glue . You can just put these over the circles. This will just be a nice little challenge for your little one if they choose to do so. it's nice if they can recognize colors at an early age, get them started on things like that. All right, so these construction paper actually match the balls that I have. So your little one can take these balls and put them in the appropriate holes if they are able, and everything stays inside, and they have a nice little way to entertain themselves for hopefully more than a few minutes. So I hope you enjoy this one, and I hope your little one does too, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.